Hi everyone, Diwali is here and it's the perfect time to celebrate with light, joy and positivity. So today, let's dive into the deeper meaning of Diwali and some do's and don'ts to keep in mind.
Diwali reminds us to embrace our inner light, to bring positivity and hope into our lives. Just as we light diyas to brighten our homes, let's light up our hearts with kindness and courage. Do take time to share joy with others. Reach out to family, friends, and those who may be alone during this festival. Even a simple message or call can make a big difference in someone's day. Diwali teaches us to let go of old negativity to welcome fresh starts. Just like we clean our homes before Diwali, let's clear our minds of past grievances and make space for growth and peace. While celebrating, let's be mindful of the environment. Avoid using excessive firecrackers as they create pollution and can be harmful to pets and people around us. Instead, enjoy eco friendly alternatives like lighting diyas or organizing a Latin display.
So this Diwali, let's celebrate with purpose, joy and care. Wishing you all a bright, meaningful and a safe Diwali. Happy Diwali!